GDP versus GDP per capita. These both terms are very commonly used in economic growth of country, in finance or in financial structure, specially used for the economic growth and living standard of the public or population of the country. We will discuss about the GDP, its importance, focus, and how calculate in same way GDP per capita. What is GDP per capita? How it is calculated? What is its importance? When we discuss the definition of these, GDP is the total monetary value of all goods or services produced within a country's border in specific period. It can be usually annually or quarterly. While GDP per capita is the GDP divided by population of country. It gives an average economic output per person. So GDP is the value of all goods and services produced within the boundary, within the country borders for a specific period of time, while GDP per capita is the total GDP divided by population. So it gives average economic output for each person or population. Both have a directly impact. Higher the GDP, it will give higher GDP per capita. Calculation, calculation as we have discussed in previous slides, for GDP, total consumption plus investments and government spendings, exports minus import, because import items are received from outside. So if a country produces 1 trillion worth of goods and services in a year, its GDP is $1 trillion. GDP per capita, GDP per capita, as we have initially discussed, total GDP divided by total population. If a country has GDP of $1 trillion, as here we have discussed, for example, a country having GDP $1 trillion and the population of that country is 50 million, then GDP per capita will be 1 trillion divided by 50 million. It will be $20,000 economic worth or economic output of each person. That is called GDP per capita. Scale of analysis, GDP measures the total economic output of a country, while GDP per capita measures the economic output per individual, providing an average income or standard of living, because GDP is total value of all goods produced within the border and during specific time frame. GDP per capita is the value of all goods divided by population, so it gives the average income or standard of living of that country. Usage, GDP is used to assess the size and health of an economy, while GDP per capita is used to compare the economic well-being of individuals across the countries or regions. Scale of analysis: GDP focuses on economy as a whole, while GDP per capita provides insights into the distribution of economic prosperity among the population. This is the scale of analysis of both parameters GDP and GDP per capita. When we compare the importance or discuss importance of GDP and GDP per capita, GDP it indicates the overall economic performance and health of country. It helps in formulating fiscal and monetary policies. It is used by investors to make investment decisions based on economic trend. So this is the importance of GDP, used by investors to make investment decisions based off economic trends and policies are formulated. In the case of GDP per capita, helps compare the living standard across different countries, is useful in assessing the economic well-being of individuals within the country. It indicates the potential disparities in income distribution when combined with other metrics like income inequality. So these were the importance of GDP and GDP per capita. I hope by this lecture your concept about GDP and GDP per capita would be very clear. We have discussed the definition or difference, how to calculate GDP and GDP per capita, scale of analysis, and usage where GDP is used and GDP per capita is used. Further, we have also discussed the importance of both terms in finance or economic growth or publicly or policies. I hope your concept about GDP and GDP per capita would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Lafis.